1, 2, notes, rhythm, flows, topic, lyrics, vibes, words, chorus, verse. I want my notes, I'm gonna have a walk into this semantic field. What does it mean to me? To me. Metric, line, structure, frame, song, track, vibrate, voice, vocal, me, I breathe and my body bloats. I sink and the air slips down my throat. I'm gonna have a walk into this semantic field. What does it mean to me? To me. I'm gonna have a walk into this semantic field. What does it mean to me? Does it mean to me? To me. Poetry, novels, songs, I listen, read them, learn, I digest, then I pull out, I'm gonna have a walk into this semantic field. What does it mean to me? Harmony comes to me, melody comes to me, euphony comes to me. I catch the key and the air just comes to me. Yeah, I murmur, I whisper softly, I yell, I shout loud. A little rumble, I try to whistle, then I stumble. I try to twinkle, then I bungle. I'm gonna have a walk into this semantic field. What does it mean to me? Unison, drone, chant, phrase, line, strain, refrain. I catch the key and I sing my joy.